Okay, everyone, we're going to practice reading our short vowel E words. So in our words, we have a beginning sound, we have a middle sound, and we have an ending sound. And this month, we are learning the vowel E. So you guys see here, I have 3 letters here. There's the W. We're going to be switching out the beginning sound, okay? So if we have this word right here, you say the sounds of the letters like this. W-et. W-et. Does anybody know what that word says if the sounds are w-et? Yes, Yuvan, what is this word?
Wet.
Good. There's the dog. It is very wet. Now I'm going to change the W to a V sound. Now, do you know what the new word is, Yuvan? V-et.
Wet.
Yes, like the doctor takes care of the animals. A vet is an animal doctor. Good, Yuvan. All right, now I have this word. We're going to have et words for a while. Yes, Shastika, you want to try reading this word? Sa-et. What's that word? Sa-et.
Set.
Yes, like I am setting the table. I'm going to change the sa sound to a j sound. Now what is my word? J-et.
Jet.
Yes, like a jet that we play with, or a jet in the sky, if it's a real jet. Good, Shastika. Okay, now I have this word right here, ma-et, ma-et. Let me ask Ira, do you know what this word is? Ma-et. You can use the picture to help you. Yes, like they met each other. Good, Ira. I'm going to change the M to a g sound. Now what is my word? G-et, g-et.
Get.
Good. Wow, Ira, that's awesome. And I love your bow in your hair. I'm just seeing it now. Good job. Okay, my last et word. Varuksha, can you try looking at this word and reading it? Na-et. Na-et. What's that word? Na-et. Put those sounds together. What is the word?
This was
Na-et.
net.
Say net.
Net.
Okay, so that is like a net you catch butterflies with. All right, I'm going to change the N to a P sound. What is my word, Varuksha? Pa-et. Pa-et. What's that? Pa-et.
Pet.
Say pet.
Pet.
Good. So she has a pet cat, right? Nice. All right, now I have words that end in N. Let me ask Adya. Wow, I see you sounding out the word. Do you know what this word is? H-N. H-N.
Hen.
Good, like a chicken. Another word for chicken is hen. Got it. Now I have T-N. T-N. T-N.
Ten.
Good job.
Yeah, the number 10. Good, Adya. So we had hen with an H, then we changed it to 10 with the T. Good. Okay, let me ask Samyukta. Samyukta, can you look at this word? What do you think this word is? Pa-en. Pa-en. You know what that is? I write with a pa-en.
A pencil.
Well, it's kind of like a pencil, but this word is just 3 letters, so it's just pen. I'm going to change the P to a M sound. Now what is my word? M-en, M-en. What do you think that is? There's a bunch of M-en.
Man.
Man, yes. If we have more than one man, that is men. Like, looks like a bunch of dads, right? Maybe we should say dads. Good job, Samyukta. All right, I have changed the ending sound. Ishika, where are you? Oh, there she is. Can you read this word? Leg. Leg.
Leg.
Yes. Oh, look, that is a very strong leg. Okay, I'm going to change the L to a P sound. Now what is my word? P-egg. P-egg.
Pen.
Close, has a gus on at the end. P-egg.
Peg.
Yeah, peg. Or we can call it a clip, but they call it a peg. Good job, Ishika. Okay, this is an unfamiliar word, but I think we can sound it out. Yajva, how would you sound out this word? K-egg. Yeah, can you say it again?
Keg.
Yeah, a keg is like a big barrel, okay? Anybody I have one of these in my house, a big barrel container. Okay, I'm going to change the K to a B sound. Now what is my word, Yajva? B-egg.
Bag.
Yes, like the dog is begging. Gigi begs all the time for food, right? Okay, next one. Oh, don't get confused here. I have two L's at the end, but they only make one sound. So, Abzar, what do you think this word says? L, L.
Yeah.
Yes, like he is yelling. Hopefully you guys don't yell in your house, right? Yell. Okay, I'm gonna change the y sound to a b. Now what is my word? Oh, that's not a picture of this, but this is b-l. Don't look at the picture. That's the wrong picture. B-l. What do you think that word says though? Ring, ring, ring.
Bell.
Bell, yes. This is actually a well. I don't know why the well showed up. Go away. Okay, good job, Afsar. Afreen, I think you're my last one. Do you know what this word is? T-L. T-L.
There.
Yes, like tell me a story. Okay, now I'm gonna change the t. Oh, let me see if a real one shows up. What is this word right there, Afreen? That should be a W, but let's see.
Bell.
Ah, that's the bell. Sorry, Avzar. So that was the bell. The other one was a well, right? Good job, Afreen. Okay, now that everybody had a turn, does anybody know what this word is? You can raise your hand if you know. This is a color. Yes, Yajva, what is this word?
Red.
Good. I have a red, like the color red. Nice. I'm going to change it to a f sound. Anybody know what this word is? Yes, Avzar. Before it was bed, now it's ed. What is that word? Ed.
Head.
Yes, like he fed his cat. Nice. All right, don't get confused here, guys. This is still one sound. It's a k sound. Does anybody know what this word is? If it's n-ek. Yes, Adya, what is this word? N-ek.
Neck.
Yes, like this is my neck. Yes, good. I'm going to change the N to a P sound. Now, what is my word? Maybe you know what a chicken does or how a bird eats. Yes, Shastika, what is this word? P-ek.
Peck.
Yes, peck. Good job. That's how chicks eat their food. Does anybody know what this word is? If it's l-ed. Yes, Yuvan, what is this word? Oh, it doesn't.
Head.
This word is lead, like they let it fly.
Leg.
Yes, my picture's gone though. All right, that's okay. Okay, what if I added a s sound? Now what is my word? Ira, do you know what this is? Sled. What do you think that is?
Sled.
Yes, like
Sled.
she's sledding down. Nice, Ira. Okay, almost done. Let me ask Samyukta. Do you know what this word is? B-ed.
Bag.
Yeah, that's a bed. Nice, Samyukta. Okay, friends. Oh no, my last one here. What is this you think? Ashika, do you know what this word is? Blood.
Blood.
Yes, like my hand bled. Oh no. Okay, everyone, give yourself a round of applause for reading so nicely. Yay!